Hey, to connect Nothing phone into the Wi-Fi network, all you have to do is just to grab your phone, then for example you can swipe up on the quick settings, click and hold on the Wi-Fi icon, now select Internet, and from this you have to actually turn on this switcher, and now just wait for the nearby network scanning, and as you can see in this place I've got all network list. So now if I want to input the password into my Wi-Fi network, I have to just click on it. And now from this, I have to just input this password. I can recommend you to select this option to actually show the password when you are going to input it. So it will be actually visible. And now I'm gonna do this into my password. So let me just do this out of the camera. And if you input your password, you can also find some additional options, but I don't recommend you to change it. Just leave it like it's default. And now you have to click connect in the right bottom corner. And after a few seconds, you will find information that you are successfully connected. And that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.